Hey, welcome back. Have you ever been in an accident but had no proof of what happened? I have some great tech today that if you can give me a few minutes to show you, you may say I wish I would have had that back then. If you're new here, my name is Andrew, and we talk about everyday tech stuff from TV streamers, camera gear, internet and cellular to home tech and more. So if that interests you, please click on the subscription button below for more. Today I will be showing you a really cool and compact front and rear 4K dashcam setup that I switched to, and for good reason. Let's get started. What's in the box? True 4K plus HDR 1080p dual dashcam, a 1080p HDR rear cam, 64GB SD card, dual USB adapter, power supply cable with car charger, 3M sticker, electrostatic sticker, cable clips, rear camera cable, and a user manual. I tell you, this thing is loaded and has everything you will need. But before we get into this setup, it is much more than a dash cam but a security system for your car too. Just listen to this, and after I will show you real-life footage for you to compare for your needs. True 4K plus HDR 1080p dual dashcam. The Pernis dashcam features a true 4K front camera and an HDR 1080p rear camera, both equipped with 140 degrees wide-angle lenses to minimize blind spots and capture essential details. Pernis dashcam excels in various lighting conditions, whether day or night, ensuring clear recordings of license plates, road signs, and incidents in both bright daylight and low-light environments. Built-in GPS and smart app control. The dashcam includes built-in GPS to log precise coordinates. Easily connect to the MyCM app via Wi-Fi on your smartphone to preview videos with travel path trajectories, download videos effortlessly, view live recordings, and adjust the dashcam settings. Loop recording and G-sensor. Equipped with a 64GB SD card, expandable up to 256GB. This dashcam features loop recording options in increments of 1, 3, and 5 minutes for uninterrupted video capture. The built-in G-sensor automatically locks and preserves crucial videos during impact, ensuring essential evidence is secured without manual intervention. Default setting for G-sensor is off. Parking monitor and TS file protection. Keep your vehicle secure with features like time-lapse recording and a G-sensor that activates upon impact when parked. 4 quick access buttons allow instant control over the microphone, Wi-Fi, snapshots, and lock functions. Mute sound during calls for privacy, and easily lock critical footage with a single touch. Here, let's test drive this and see it for real, and then we can talk about the benefits. By the way, if you're still with me and are not a subscriber, now's a good time to be part of the crew. Thanks again, and remember to like it too, while you're there. All right, here we go. Here are the key benefits of having a dashcam installed in your vehicle. Legal protection. Unbiased evidence. Dashcams provide clear, objective footage of accidents, traffic incidents, or any event involving your vehicle. This can be crucial in insurance claims or legal disputes. Fraud prevention. Dashcams can deter fraudulent claims, such as staged accidents or false accusations of reckless driving. Reduce liability. In many cases, dashcam footage can exonerate you from blame in accidents, potentially saving you from legal troubles and financial burdens. Increase safety and security. Deterrence. The mere presence of a dashcam can deter aggressive driving and potential road rage incidents. Parking mode. Many dashcams have parking mode, which records activity around your vehicle when it's parked, helping to deter theft, vandalism, or hit-and-run accidents. Road hazard awareness. Dashcam footage can help you identify potential road hazards or dangerous driving conditions, allowing you to take proactive measures. Additional benefits. Insurance discounts. Some insurance companies offer discounts to drivers with dashcams, recognizing the potential for reduced claims. Driving behavior monitoring. Dashcam footage can help you analyze your own driving habits and identify areas for improvement. Capturing memorable moments. Dashcams can also be used to record scenic drives, family road trips, or unexpected events, creating lasting memories. While the initial cost of a dashcam may seem significant, the potential benefits, especially in terms of legal protection and increased safety, often outweigh the investment. Although this particular dashcam from Pernis is really reasonable, at a lower cost than you would think for the quality you get with this. I will have a link in the description and pinned to the top of the comments. Speaking of which, leave a comment and let us all know other ways these can be used. By the way, if you're still with me and are not a subscriber, now's a good time to be part of the crew. Thanks again, and remember to like it too, while you're there. Now, if you are into streaming thousands of free TV channels, pay-per-view, and more than this video right here, will get you all the info you will need. Or if you are into getting faster internet cellular data for cheap, take a look at this video. I'm here to serve, so remember, life's great, keep smiling.